Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Without Borders. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the new AI tool ChatGPT to help you make money online as a complete beginner in 2023 and beyond. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT, it's an AI discussion tool that allows you to have a conversation and ask it any question. It can give you a detailed answer 95% of the time, and I'm going to show you some specific ways to use it to make money online that you may not have seen on YouTube before. So, if you're a beginner looking to start making money online, using this specific AI tool can be incredibly helpful. I'm not going to waste any more time, let's get right into it. And if you find any value in this video at any point, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And make sure you hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know when a new video has been released. First things first, you need to create an account on ChatGPT. Go to Google and type in OpenAI, then click on ChatGPT. You can sign up using your email address, or if you have a Google account, you can continue with Google. Once you've verified your phone number, you can proceed to the user-friendly interface, where you can start a discussion. Now let's talk about one of the first ways you can use ChatGPT to make money online, which is with Amazon affiliate marketing. For this method, you need your own website, and I'll explain later how you can create one easily. Let's say, for example, that you want to add an article on your website that can potentially help you make a passive source of income with Amazon affiliate marketing. You can ask ChatGPT, what are the top 10 most popular laptops on Amazon? This is because these items have a higher commission rate. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to tell me the top 10 laptops, and it provided me with a list of the top 10 laptops as well as the models. Then, I asked it to write a blog article for each laptop, and it was happy to do so. It provided me with a full-length article that I can now publish on my website. I copied the article and put it into a WordPress document, and it gave me a long article, which is great for ranking on Google. However, you need to make sure you go through the article and ensure that all of the information is correct, including the details of each laptop, grammar, and plagiarism. There are various free websites you can use to check for plagiarism. Once you have written a blog post or article that you're happy with, you can sign up for the Amazon Associates program, which is a straightforward process. Once accepted, you'll see a great bar at the top right of your screen. This bar will give you access to your affiliate links. By focusing your article on the most popular laptops, your content has a higher chance of showing up in Google search results. That's one of the first ways that you can consider using ChatGPT to make money online. Moving on to the second way, you can use ChatGPT to help you find a winning product for your e-commerce business. To do this, simply ask ChatGPT for the 3 best e-commerce categories. It will give you its opinion on the top categories, such as clothing and fashion, electronics, and home and garden. Once you have chosen a category, you can ask ChatGPT for the 3 most popular products within that category. It will provide you with the top products based on its knowledge and database, such as furniture, home decor, outdoor equipment, appliances, and gardening tools and supplies. Using the outdoor equipment category as an example, you can use a product research tool like Zeek Analytics to see which items are being sold on eBay. By typing in garden light, for instance, you'll see the amount of money were spent on garden lights in the last 30 days, with over 10,000 units sold and a successful listing rate. This data gives you an idea of which products are worth doing more research into. Once you have an idea of which product you might want to sell, you can visit a supplier's website like Alibaba, AliExpress, or CJ Dropshipping to find a similar product and start selling it yourself. Finally, the third way you can use ChatGPT to make money online is through ClickBank affiliate marketing. First, sign up for a ClickBank account, then go to the affiliate marketplace and choose a category that resonates with you. Let's say you're interested in the self-help category. Sort the results by the highest to lowest gravity score, which is a metric that measures the popularity of the product. Once you have chosen a product, you can use TikTok to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Create content on your TikTok profile related to your chosen category and include your affiliate link. But that's not all. We're also going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create a killer lead magnet that will help you drive traffic to your affiliate links. We're talking about a free ebook that's sure to get people clicking and converting. So how do we do it? Well, it's simple. We start by asking ChatGPT to write us an ebook. And with its incredible natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can whip up a 10-chapter book on any topic in no time. In this case, we asked ChatGPT to write us a book on dealing with a breakup, since we're looking at products in the self-help marriage relationship niche. Once we had our ebook, we used Canva to create an eye-catching cover, and then set up a landing page using Avabur to collect email addresses and automate delivery of the ebook. But that's not all. We also set up an email sequence to send out our ClickBank affiliate links to anyone who signs up for our ebook. And the best part? We did it all with the help of ChatGPT. So there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to finding the highest converting product in any category and using ChatGPT to create a killer lead magnet. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. If you want more tips and tricks on how to make money online with AI, be sure to let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content from AI Without Borders.